In this video, I'll show you how to create a Kanban board in Jira. First, log into Jira and open the project you want to use. Next, go to Boards and select Create Board. Now choose Kanban as the board type. After that, select whether you want to create the board from an existing project or from an existing saved filter. Enter a name for your board and select the project or filter you want to use. Next, click Create Board to finish the setup. Once the board is created, review the columns and make sure they match your workflow, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Now, open Board Settings if you need to change the columns, statuses, or other board options. After that, create or move issues onto the board and drag them between columns as work progresses. Finally, review the board and adjust the workflow settings so your team can easily track tasks from start to finish. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Kanban board in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.